one rider that I would like to discuss for you today is the payer's benefit on death and disability rider. So, itong rider na to ina-attach kung iba yung owner, policy owner kay insured. So, usually kapag bata yung insured or, you know, usually minor, ganyan. Diba? So, it's a waiver of premium rider. Wini-waive again yung premium, which waives the base and rider premiums, again, except the medical benefit premium kasi hiwalay siya. No, in case of untimely death or total and permanent disability of the payer. Kunyari, yung parent, ang gusto niyang i-insure yung anak niya, hindi niya binilihan yung sarili niya. Diba? At least may coverage pa rin, no? May konti coverage pa rin dahil may waiver of premium. Alright? So, again, no, pag namatay yung owner, ma-waive na yung premium, hindi na kailangan bayaran yung premium. No? So, kasi nga, wala pang bayad kung bata pa lang. Issue age nito, yung bata, 0 to age 17. So again, dapat minor. Diba? Tapos yung policy owner age, no, pag 5 years to pay, 18 to 55 years old. Kapag 10 years to pay, 18 to 50 years old. Kapag pay up to age 65, 18 to 40 years old. Alright? So, please take note that the payment period of the rider will be based on the earliest benefit term. No? So, kapag nag-reach na ng age 25 yung insured, titigil na yung waiver premium rider. Alright? Or nag-60 na yung owner, titigil na yung waiver premium rider. Or natapos na yung paying years. Alright? The premium structure, if you can see, will be recalculated every year based on the total of premiums to be waived. So pag na-waive siya, so kung ano yung mga pwedeng i-waive, ma-waive na, hindi mo na kailangan bayaran. So katulad nun, yung medical benefit premium lang hindi na-waive. So kailangan pa rin bayaran yung part na yon, no? So for this rider, clear kasi sa dami ng pwedeng i-rider na pwedeng ilagay sa Max Protect, klaro dapat na, no, i-calculate siya every year. Tapos kapag naging 25 na yung bata, no, and siya na yung magiging owner, no, capable na siguro siyang magbayad, may work na siya noon, so kailangan niyang ituloy yung mga previously na waive na premium. Alright? Yun yung kailangan natin i-clarify dyan sa waiver of premium rider na yan. Alright? Hindi siya forever, lalo na kung pay up to age 65 yung kinuha, diba? So, babalik na dapat bayaran niya yung premium niya. So, just for the time being, na walang kayang magbayad ng premium niya kasi nga, something happened to his or her parent.